Your first instinct is probably we freeze, and on that part, you are absolutely right. But many popular sci-fi scenarios get the physics completely wrong when they claim the solar system would fly apart, or that planets would instantly be sucked into a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Gravity doesn't care about volume, it only cares about mass and distance. Within about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the final photons emitted by the active sun finish their journey to Earth. There is no sunset, no warning, just an immediate, eternal starlit midnight. Without solar radiation, surface temperatures crash within days. Within a week, the oceans begin to develop a thick skin of ice. Within a year, global average temperatures drop far past the deepest Antarctic winter ever recorded. Photosynthesis ceases entirely, causing the base of the global food chain to collapse in the dark. The sun is currently about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter. Squeezing its entire mass, 2 nonillion kilograms, down to the dimensions of a bowling ball means you haven't just made a smaller star. You have built a stellar mass black hole. While you can theoretically compress the sun's mass into a 21-centimeter space, it would immediately collapse into a gravitational singularity. The resulting black hole's boundary of no return would actually be 3 kilometers, not 21 centimeters. This is the physical limit dictated by its mass. From a distance of 150 million kilometers away, Earth feels absolutely no difference in gravitational pull. A black hole of one solar mass exerts the exact same gravitational force as a regular star of one solar mass. Earth would continue to orbit this empty patch of space safely, predictably, and serenely. We would not drift into the deep void. We would simply be a frozen rock obediently circling an invisible remnant. In uncorrected science fiction, it is often claimed that Mercury, Venus, and eventually Earth would be torn apart by tidal forces or systematically swallowed one by one on a lethal tasting menu. This is entirely incorrect. Because the total mass and position of the sun remain unchanged, the gravitational field and tidal forces at the respective distances of Mercury, Venus, and Earth remain exactly the same as they are today. Mercury is far too distant to experience spaghettification. Black holes do not act like cosmic vacuum cleaners. Objects in stable orbits remain in stable orbits indefinitely. No planets would be shredded, and no miniature quasar would form from their debris. There is no slow-motion crime scene and no X-ray screams of liquefied planets. Instead, the real horror is far more silent and patient. A perfectly stable, perfectly orderly solar system operating exactly as it always did, except entirely frozen, pitch black, and devoid of life.